സംസാരിക്കാൻ ഫൈസൽ സാഹിബിനെ ആദരവോട് ക്ഷണിച്ചു.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to all. Respected President of the Commission, Professor Varghese Matthew sir. Respected and Honorable CP Kunyumar sir. Professor Muhammad Hassan sir. Sri Atekoya Palikandi sir. Hamid Keke sir. Rashid sir. Suresh sir. Dr. Sajeevan sir. Dr. Afsal. Dr. Bashir, Dalil Master, and all other faculty on base of the center. I'm extremely happy to host such a wonderful program where we are honoring a personality like C.P. Kunju Muhammad sir, and that also in the name of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. I think half of the audience are from North India. So whatever communicated here, they might not have understood. That's why I just want to share something. Actually, what is called the program about? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan Memorial Award has been constituted by the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan Foundation, which has been working for since last 35 years. And now last year also I attended one award giving ceremony. It was organized at Calicut University. And they have certain criteria to select the winners of the award, for the award. And this year they have received around 25 names. Out of them, Janab CP Kunju Muhammad has been selected. And while looking at his bio and our friend Hamid Sahab was presenting here, I think you might have listened to. He has been the president of JDT Islam Orphanage and Education Institutions, which is also a very close associate of Aligarh Muslim University. I think you may be knowing. Our AIME admission test has been conducted at JDT Islam Orphanage. That's why we have also. I take this time to actually to express our sincere gratitude and thanks for hosting that admission test at JDT Orphanage. And you know, Kerala Roadway KRS, everybody knows actually now he has been executive director of that, and he's also the secretary of Farouk Institute of Management Studies, and also president of Ikra Hospital. That is a very, very famous hospital. Now he's in the actual process of getting it in a medical college. And he's also working as president of all Kerala CBC school managers management associations, and also the lots of other, I think you might have listened to. So I don't want to again repeat all those. And very interestingly, and also very touching was, he received an award from Honorable President of India for social welfare. That entire award of 3 lakh rupees he immediately donated to the orphanages in JDT. So this is how it's itself. I think that it is enough to tell us volume about who is CP Kunju Muhammad sir and what is his service actually is concerned for the community and society. And we know Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, how he worked and what were actually his area or spectrum of his activities. His commitment to society, to commitment to community, and also dedication to the empowerment of marginalized sections, and especially his contribution to the education field. And I think all the field, CP Kunju Muhammad are also living his services. So that is why I also consider this a great honor, a great tribute to Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also, while we are celebrating 204th birth anniversary of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Because we are actually, though we are honoring CP Kunju Muhammad in the name of that also, it's a kind of tribute to Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, because we are valuing his services and also we value his name also. Now we know Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's actually his memories are very live, because we have all day celebration yesterday from the very morning to the evening till again there were lots of programs. and we remained actually, we celebrated his life and services. So now I think this is also some kind of a time to rededicate ourselves, also reconfirm our commitment to the service society and also our contribution to what is to the education field. And also Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan always used to say, actually it is only and only with education you can eliminate poverty. And it is only and only the education which can be the emancipator of any society. So all the services rendered by CP Kunyama Sahab actually now we are seeing mainly in the education field. So I don't want to take much of your time, and I think all the facilities are having busy schedule, and I also say thanks to the organizers of also to selecting this venue also. Regarding that also I should share, when they proposed the venue, I was in a dilemma whether I can give permission or not, because it's the first time that we have been approached for a program by an external organization. Though it is external, but it looks very much internal because Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan, it is there. So that's why initially I was thinking that I can myself give permission, but later on I just have a discussion with coordinator AMU Center, just for an advice. He told me that better to get permission from Vice Chancellor because it's an external body. And then before going to I sent message and WhatsApp to Vice Chancellor sir also, and he was not responding. Then I sent a message to Proctor, and he used to take care of these actually the programs inside the university. He also told better write a mail to Vice Chancellor, and I wrote a mail and I called him. Then he gave me the permission. So I express thanks and gratitude to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Tariq Mansur sir also, to give me give me permission and to host such a wonderful program. And I should also say sorry for this kind of inconvenience of actually lack of spaces. We were having lots of huge auditorium was there, and also very huge moot court room was there. But I think because of we were thinking that it will be a very small program, very limited number of people will be there. That's why we organized it here. And this what once again on behalf of Aligarh Muslim University fraternity, I congratulate CP Kunyama Sahab for winning the wonderful award. And I also express my thanks and gratitude for visiting us, and also your I remember when our students organized a program, he was there, and management department they approached him some kind of contribution. He immediately donated 50,000 rupees that time. So this is of his generosity. So I should not. So he has been always with us, with the students and with the AMU for the development purpose and all. So I don't want to talk much about him now. I think there are programs to be continued. And once again, I express my thanks and gratitude to the organizers of the program, and especially Atabai Palikandi sir and Professor Varghese sir for contacting me and for organizing such a wonderful program. Now we are also keynote address Professor Muhammad Hassan sir, and he's also a very renowned personality. Professor Muhammad Hassan has written lots of books, and he's also from Ali. He has done 2 PG from Aligarh University, history and also psychology, and also he is also very much connected and associated with the AMU and the center. So once again, I welcome you to the campus, and I also request you, once the program is over, you can also visit the premises of the campus. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.